Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to the video. So if your YouTube channel views have been decreasing over the last 2 weeks, because I know that for a lot of channels, search-based channels, from May 21st, the views have been on kind of like a decline. But that isn't something to worry about too much, because I've found over the years, and I've been in this industry of search-based YouTube automation for like 6.5 years. I know that if you just continue to post through the ups and downs, eventually your views will go back up. But what I want to do in this video is show you a method that you can implement on your search-based YouTube automation channel so that you can boost your views and let the algorithm feed you views instead of waiting for months for your videos to rank and things like that. So let's just dive straight into it. So I'm on this channel right here. It's called Useful Things, and they've gotten a pretty good result here. Right here you can see that for just 187 videos they've got almost 500,000 subscribers, and they're getting 2.3 million views every single month. So that's going to be like $6,000 to $6,500, $7,000 per month, which is a really good result for only having 187 videos. So what they're doing is they're doing not search-based YouTube videos, but they are mainly focusing on these browse-based social or app-related videos. So you can see here, lock your private photos on Android before they see them. So the strategy that this channel follows is that they kind of like get you, when they post a video, it's like, oh damn, I need to check the setting before I get spied on, or I need to quickly do this on my phone before my phone gets hacked, and that attracts a lot of click-through rate. And then when the people click on it, they watch it, they get value from it, YouTube's going to push it to more and more viewers in the browse and recommended feeds on the homepage and things like that. And these videos can absolutely go viral. So you can see this video 6 days ago got 13k views, 11 days ago 27k views. Okay, and you can see the titles. Google Chrome quickly drains your phone battery. So people that actually come across this video on their browse, they're quickly scrolling YouTube, they see, oh damn, Chrome is draining my battery, let me click on this and let me actually watch this to get some value from this and fix it on my phone. And you can see this video right here, 4 videos ago that they posted 2 weeks ago, got 260,000 views. This Windows 10 and 11 parasite, so they're kind of like playing on your emotions. It says this parasite eats up all your RAM and slows down your PC. So people don't want parasites on their PC. They don't want a slow PC. They want everything to run smooth. So they quickly go ahead, they click on the video, they watch the video, and then this channel makes AdSense revenue. Okay, so, and you can also see that they're also making even more money every single month with a link in the description. So support the channel and unlock bonuses. Okay, we can click on this. It's a bit.ly link. That's just something to shorten your link. And you can see here that it goes to get your check mark trial. Okay, let's click to the destination, and it basically just takes them to their channel membership. Okay, so they're also earning with channel memberships, which is really nice. 260,000 views 2 weeks ago. So that's the method. You do these browse-based videos, you play on people's emotions in a good way. Okay, none of this is black hat or illegal. This is all valid methods, and this really works. And then you can see the video before that, 129,000 views 2 weeks ago. It's enabled on your phone and thieves use it. So people are going to be like, whoa, thieves are using this on my phone, let me click, and this channel gets a lot of views. Okay, but they're not the only one that's doing this type of video. So that's one way to do it. Do the emotional type of titles. That works extremely well. And then this channel right here getting 1.12 million views a month, so like $3,000 per month. And they're also doing this browse strategy. So like, since the May 21st, the views have gone down. So if you implement this for like 1, 2, 3 months, you'll notice your views will go back up to where they were. And even much more. So Samsung Galaxy AI just dropped everything. So what his strategy is, he's doing all these like Samsung, I don't know if he covers iPhone, but he's doing all these trending topics. Like the moment a new feature releases for the Samsung, he's going to hop on that, he's going to do the video, and he's going to get a lot of views. Okay, so one day ago 8.8k views. Okay, 6.1k one day. One UI 8.5 liquid glass. Okay, so that's a brand new thing that comes to Samsung. One UI 8.5, it's brand new. People are searching for this every single day, and he's going to get his video recommended, and people are actually going to actually search for this. So for an example, if I open up YouTube, and then what I'll do is I'll type one UI 8.5 liquid glass, you can see it also plays into like a search based title. So one UI 8.5 liquid glass, people search for that, click on it, and let's see if his video pops up, and there he is, ranking number 3. So his strategy is doing like these very brand new features that come out for Samsung and iPhone and things like that. He ranks in YouTube search, gets a lot of views from browse features too. So that's one way. 6.1k, or actually 8k views one day ago. So that's really good. Let's try find another one. He has one that's like 7 Samsung calling features you need to turn on in One UI 8.5. Most users don't know these exist. Okay, so people will come across this video and they want to learn exactly what are the 7 Samsung calling features that they don't know about. This is something to do with FIFA. Okay, 11k, and you can see his views is almost on every video. He's getting like very good views. Some of them go to like 20k in a week, and this is the strategy that he uses. So he's not like doing the strategy that Useful Things does. Okay, he gets 1 million views more per month, but he uploads a lot less. Okay, let's go to their homepage and see how many videos they're doing per month. And you can see just 7 videos in a month, and I'm sure everyone can do 7 videos a month or get 7 videos a month outsourced to get 2.3 million views a month. So that's that channel. Then this is the Simple Dad. Samsung hides these battery settings. Okay, people will be very interested in that and click on it. 2 weeks ago, it got 80,000 views, which is really good. Okay, then you get one of the OG channels that has been doing this for a very long time. He's getting 12.6 million views every single month. So if we go to his videos, you can see he's doing similar thing. Okay, this one right here is a normal how-to video, but this is you can see here the proper way to silence iPhone calls. Tired of turning off live photos. Okay, so this is more towards the browse features and things like that. And then you want to fix a frozen phone in 10 seconds. People will be very interested. So that's the method. You can do it in 3 ways. You can do all these emotional type of triggers that like trigger people to actually click on the video, and you can see 124k 1 month ago. Block all ads on iPhone at once. People will definitely want to do that. Cover all the latest new features of a Samsung or an iPhone. People will be very interested in that, and you'll get a lot of views. And then you can do like creative titles and things like that. Force unknown callers to say who you are. So you may be asking, where do you actually get the inspiration to come up with these different types of video ideas? So what you can do is you can go to the channels that are doing this method, and you can get inspiration from these videos right here. All you need to do is click on the video and watch the video, and then do it in your own spin, like you would normally do a search-based video. Do it in your own style, and then you can upload that. So you can get inspiration from competitors, or you can use things like ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to give you all the new features of the Samsung or the iPhone. It will list them all out. You can separate them into different videos, and there you have your content. So if you would like to learn all of this in a full step-by-step course that I have put together, it's not just a course, it's a community, and we do everything in this community that I've built. So it's called Search Makers. We do a weekly premium call every single Saturday. Okay, you can see we have 144 members in here right now. If you go to the classroom tab, you go to the Search Mastery course. This is where you'll learn exactly everything that I talk about in this video, as well as how to start a search-based YouTube automation channel and get to 1 million views a month and earn a full-time income online. So that's the Search Makers Search Mastery course. Then if you're not able to attend any of the live streams that we do once a week, you can watch them in the core recordings. Okay, so that's available for you. All you need to do is click the first link in the video description. It'll take you to a page like this. You can see all you need to do is start your free trial, and then you can get a 7 days free trial. And then once the free trial ends, it's only $7 per month. Very, very affordable. So that's there. Click the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you on the inside.